What's the meaning of bomb? Bomb. Bomb.
Bomb. Bomb. The word bomb is typically used to refer to an explosive device that is designed to cause significant damage or destruction when detonated. Bombs can be used in a variety of contexts, ranging from military operations to terrorist attacks. When a bomb detonates, it releases a large amount of energy in the form of heat, light, and pressure. This can cause damage to buildings, vehicles, and infrastructure, as well as injuries or fatalities to people within the blast radius. Depending on the size and type of bomb, the consequences can be devastating and long-lasting, both physically and emotionally.